Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate typography styles in Framer, full guide step by step clearly. To activate typography styles in Framer, begin by opening your Framer project. Navigate to the canvas where you want to apply typography styles. Select the text layer you wish to modify or create in. On the right panel, locate the Properties section. Find the typography settings within the Properties panel. Click on the typography settings to reveal the available options. You will see choices for font family, size, weight, and line height. Select the desired font family from the drop-down menu. Adjust the font size to fit your design needs. Change the font weight to enhance the text appearance. Modify the line height for better readability. You may also want to tweak letter spacing and paragraph spacing. Explore additional options like text alignment and decoration. Keep an eye on the live preview as you make adjustments. Once satisfied with the typography settings, close the Properties panel. To ensure consistency, consider creating a text style. Click on the Create Style button within the typography settings. Name your new text style to easily identify it later. Your typography style is now saved and ready for future use. To apply the saved style, simply select it from the Styles panel. This allows for quick application across multiple text layers. Always test your typography styles in various screen sizes. Final adjustments may be needed for mobile optimization. Now you have successfully activated and customized typography styles in Framer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.